For the longest time, I swore I hated Brussels sprouts until I went to this restaurant recently and they had these sriracha honey Brussels sprouts and they were good as hell. So I recreated them at home, but more of like a hot honey version. So let me show you how I did that. So first, I just took a bunch of Brussels sprouts, cut the butts off of them, and then I cut them in half. I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then about 1.5 tablespoons of this hot honey rub. Then I added some salt just to balance out the sweetness. Then I mixed everything until it was well combined and evenly coated. And then I'm going to take a baking dish, and I didn't line it because I find that it gets crispier when it's directly on the baking dish. But I just tried to add them as evenly as possible, and then I baked at 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And as those bake, I work on my hot honey sauce with all the listed ingredients on the screen. I just bring it to a light simmer. Then I add it into this little cup so it's easier to drizzle on. And once your Brussels sprouts are done, they should look just like this, nice and crispy. And if you want, you can even broil them for a few minutes, but make sure you don't burn them. And then I just drizzle the sauce all over at the end. Now, at this point, all the nutritional value in the Brussels sprouts might be gone, but at least you have a delicious side dish, maybe a snack or your full meal. I could eat this whole thing in one sitting, but enjoy, try it, tag me, and let me know what you think.